Fuel systems? Hello folks, welcome to today's lesson on fuel system. Fuel systems are a critical component of any vehicle, playing a vital role in storing and supplying energy to the engine. Understanding the various components, fuel types, and maintenance techniques is essential for efficient operation and longevity of vehicles. This lesson will explore the fundamental aspects of fuel systems, providing insights into different fuel components, types of fuels, and repair and maintenance strategies. Fuel system components and functions. A fuel system is composed of several key components, each performing specific functions to ensure smooth fuel delivery. Let's delve into these components. 1. Fuel tank. The fuel tank serves as the primary storage unit for the vehicle's fuel. It is typically constructed from metal or plastic materials designed to withstand varying temperatures and pressure conditions. The tank includes a fuel filler neck, cap, and vent to facilitate the flow of fuel into the engine. 2. Fuel pump. The fuel pump is responsible for moving fuel from the tank to the engine. Modern vehicles often use an electric fuel pump located inside the tank, ensuring consistent pressure and efficient fuel transfer. In contrast, older models may employ mechanical pumps driven by the engine. 3. Fuel filter. The fuel filter removes impurities and debris from the fuel before it reaches the engine. Clean fuel enhances performance and prevents clogging of injectors and other sensitive components. 4. Fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray precise amounts of fuel into the engine's combustion chambers. They play a crucial role in achieving optimal air-fuel mixture, thus improving efficiency and reducing emissions. 5. Fuel lines. Fuel lines transport fuel from the tank through the filter and pump to the injectors. These lines must be durable and resistant to corrosion to prevent leaks. Fuel types: gasoline, diesel, alternative fuels. Different vehicles require different fuel types depending on their engine design and intended use. Here, we examine the primary types of fuels used in vehicles. 1. Gasoline. Gasoline is a widely used fuel for passenger vehicles due to its high energy density and availability. It is suitable for spark ignition engines and is known for its volatility, making it easy to vaporize and ignite. 2. Diesel. Diesel fuel is heavier and denser than gasoline, designed for compression ignition engines. Preferred for larger vehicles like trucks and buses, diesel offers better fuel efficiency and torque. With the growing environmental concerns, alternative fuels such as ethanol, biodiesel, natural gas, and electricity are gaining popularity. These fuels provide cleaner burning options and help reduce dependency on fossil fuels. Fuel system repair and maintenance techniques. Proper maintenance of the fuel system is necessary to ensure vehicle reliability and performance. The following techniques can help maintain a functional fuel system. 1. Regular fuel filter replacement. Replace the fuel filter at recommended intervals to prevent contaminants from affecting engine performance. A clogged fuel filter restricts fuel flow and causes engine stalling and poor acceleration. 2. Inspect and maintain fuel lines. Regularly check fuel lines for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks and replace them as needed. Damaged fuel lines can lead to fuel leakage and pose safety hazards. 3. Fuel injector cleaning. Clean fuel injectors periodically to maintain efficient fuel atomization and distribution. Dirty injectors can result in rough idling, misfires, and increased emissions. 4. Monitor fuel pump functionality. Keep an eye on symptoms of a failing fuel pump, such as engine sputtering or difficulty starting. Addressing pump issues early can prevent more severe engine problems. 5. Understand fuel quality. Use high-quality fuel from reliable sources to minimize the risk of contamination and enhance vehicle performance. Avoid filling up immediately after fuel delivery at stations to prevent sediment from entering your tank. Executive summary. Here's a summary of fuel systems. Fuel system components. 1. Fuel tank stores fuel for the engine. 2. Fuel pump pumps fuel from the tank to the engine. 3. Fuel filter Filters fuel to prevent contaminants from entering the engine. 4. Fuel injectors. Sprays fuel into the engine's cylinders. 5. Fuel pressure regulator. Regulates fuel pressure in the system. Fuel system functions. 1. Fuel delivery. Delivers fuel to the engine's cylinders. 2. Fuel metering. Measures and regulates the amount of fuel delivered to the engine. 3. Fuel pressure regulation. Regulates fuel pressure in the system. Fuel system types. 1. Carbureted fuel system uses a carburetor to mix air and fuel. 2. Fuel-injected fuel system uses fuel injectors to spray fuel into the engine's cylinders. 3. Direct fuel injection injects fuel directly into the engine's cylinders. Fuel system maintenance. 1. Fuel filter replacement replaces the fuel filter to prevent contaminants from entering the engine. 2. Fuel injector cleaning cleans the fuel injectors to ensure proper fuel flow. 3. Fuel pressure testing tests fuel pressure to diagnose system problems. Common fuel system issues. 1. Poor fuel economy caused by faulty fuel injectors, clogged fuel filters, or improper fuel pressure. 2. Engine misfires caused by faulty fuel injectors, clogged fuel filters, or improper fuel pressure. 3. Fuel leaks caused by damaged fuel lines, loose connections, or faulty fuel injectors. Here's a summary of fuel system components and functions. Fuel tank. 1. Function: stores fuel for the engine. 2. Components: tank, fuel pump, and fuel level sensor. Fuel pump. 1. Function: pumps fuel from the tank to the engine. 2. Components: pump, motor, and fuel filter. Fuel filter. 1. Function: filters fuel to prevent contaminants from entering the engine. 2. Components: filter element, housing, and connections. Fuel injectors. 1. Function: sprays fuel into the engine's cylinders. 2. Components: injector nozzle, solenoid, and connector. Fuel pressure regulator. 1. Function: regulates fuel pressure in the system. 2. Components: regulator, spring, and diaphragm. Fuel system functions. 1. Fuel delivery. Delivers fuel to the engine's cylinders. 2. Fuel metering. Measures and regulates the amount of fuel delivered to the engine. 3. Fuel pressure regulation. Regulates fuel pressure in the system. 4. Fuel filtration. Filters fuel to prevent contaminants from entering the engine. Here's a summary of fuel types. Gasoline fuels. 1. Conventional gasoline, most widely used fuel, refined from crude oil. 2. Reformulated gasoline, designed to reduce emissions and improve air quality. 3. Premium gasoline, higher octane fuel for high-performance engines. Diesel fuels. 1. Conventional diesel, most widely used diesel fuel, refined from crude oil. 2. Ultra-low sulfur diesel, designed to reduce emissions and improve air quality. 3. Biodiesel, derived from renewable sources such as vegetable oils and animal fats. Alternative fuels. 1. Compressed natural gas (CNG), a cleaner burning fuel, often used in fleet vehicles. 2. Liquefied petroleum gas (LPG), a propane-based fuel commonly used in forklifts and fleet vehicles. 3. Hydrogen fuel cell, a zero-emission fuel using hydrogen as the energy source. 4. Biodiesel blends, mixtures of biodiesel and conventional diesel fuel. 5. Ethanol blends, mixtures of ethanol and conventional gasoline. 6. E-electricity, used in electric vehicles, providing a zero-emission alternative to traditional fuels. In conclusion, understanding the components, functions, and fuel types of a vehicle's fuel system is crucial for maintaining its efficacy and longevity. By implementing proactive repair and maintenance techniques, drivers can ensure optimal vehicle performance, safety, and environmental compliance. Regular inspection and timely replacement of fuel system components not only improve reliability but also contribute to eco-friendly driving habits. Stay informed and diligent in your vehicle maintenance efforts to enjoy a seamless driving experience. Thank you for staying up with us in this lesson. Happy learning, folks!